Hi, my name is Jared, and I will be going over the assistive technology speech-to-text and text-to-speech through Microsoft Word software. Now, both softwares have a benefit with students with disabilities and can compensate for areas of weakness. Speech-to-text is an assistive technology that can be helpful for students with communication disabilities, especially those that involve writing. The text-to-speech tool can be helpful for students that have trouble with reading, such as those that have dyslexia, and help keep them on track and progressing academically. Now, if we look here in Microsoft Word, there's a section on the Home tab, which is the one that it always opens up with, that has a dictation button. So it just says dictate, and it's a small picture of a microphone. If I were to press this microphone with the mouse pad, it would start recording. And essentially what now it's going to do is pick up whatever I am saying. So you can see in the screen now, there are words being posted onto it as I speak in real time. You may also notice that there are no periods or commas or any kind of punctuation of any kind. You have to actually say period, and then allow it to set. And then if I keep talking and I say period again, it'll set another period. So while you're doing speech text, you have to make sure that you are saying punctuations as you are speaking. Otherwise, you have to go back all the way through whatever you just said and find each spot where you need to make a period or comma or question mark or whatever else it might be. So usually when you first use dictation, it's going to ask you to access microphone. Just press yes, and that gives you access to microphone. And if you want to stop doing dictation, you can either press on the small microphone over here to temporarily stop it, or you can just X out of it completely, which ends the entire thing. Now, if you want to use text-to-speech, you go over to Review, and there's a button that reads Read Aloud. And all you have to do for here is wherever you click and you're starting with that mouse is where it's going to start your sentence. So if I started from, let's say right here, and then I press Read Aloud,
you can either press on this small.
It's going to start in that spot. However, if I start all the way at the top and then I press Read Aloud,
and essentially now it's going to do
it's going to read the entire thing. We won't go through the entire thing because we don't need to.
In the screen now,
so I'm going to stop it right there. And all you can either press Read Aloud again to stop it, or you can see
as I speak in real time.
There's a pause and play button over here as well. So you can either one of those two options. So this is my quick tutorial on how to use these speech-to-text and text-to-speech features on Microsoft. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you for joining me.